What if I told you that one simple, everyday object shaped the course of war, propelled science into the future, transformed how we communicate, and fundamentally built the world you live in today? It wasn't a sword, it wasn't a crown, it was paper. Think about it. Before paper existed, how did people share information? They carved it into stone, etched it onto bone, or painstakingly wrote on bamboo slips or expensive parchment made from animal skin. Knowledge was a luxury, a treasure locked away. Only the wealthiest and most powerful, the kings, the priests, the elite few had access to it. Reading and writing were like secret codes, and because of that, power rarely changed hands. Information moved at a snail's pace, and humanity's progress crawled along with it. Then, around 2,000 years ago, everything changed. In ancient China, a court official named Cylon is credited with perfecting the process of papermaking. This wasn't just a new writing material. It was a revolution. Suddenly, knowledge had wings. Ideas could be written down cheaply and quickly, and they could travel far and wide. Laws could be standardized and distributed, creating more organized societies. Scientific discoveries could be documented, shared, and built upon by others, accelerating innovation like never before. History wasn't just a story told around a fire anymore. It could be recorded for future generations with incredible accuracy. Paper didn't just store knowledge, it democratized and multiplied it, spreading it like wildfire. The invention of paper wasn't a quiet event. It was the spark that ignited some of the most significant changes in human history. As the secret of papermaking traveled along the Silk Road, it fueled a global explosion of learning. It made mass education possible for the first time. It powered the Renaissance in Europe, as ancient Greek and Roman texts were rediscovered and copied. It was the medium for revolutionary ideas that challenged monarchies and sparked democratic movements. Think of the Protestant Reformation. Martin Luther's 95 Theses were printed on paper and distributed widely, changing the face of religion forever. Without paper, we wouldn't have books, libraries, newspapers, or contracts. We wouldn't even have paper money, which completely redefined trade and economics. It's the silent engine behind art, literature, and culture across every continent. Even now, in our hyper-digital world, you might think paper is obsolete. But the truth is, paper's legacy is woven into the very fabric of our modern lives. The principles of storing and transmitting information that paper perfected are the direct ancestors of the technology we use every single day. The code that runs your computer, the text you're reading on this screen, the global network that connects us all, they are all digital descendants of that first piece of paper. The screen you're watching this on is, in a way, just a new kind of page. Paper taught us how to organize and share our thoughts on a massive scale, laying the groundwork for the information age. From a humble sheet to a global network, the journey started with one simple invention. It's incredible, isn't it? How one single object could have such an infinite impact, shaping civilizations and defining who we are today. The next time you jot down a note, read a book, or even use a paper bag, take a moment to appreciate the powerful history it holds. It's not just paper, it's a piece of human ingenuity that changed everything. If you enjoy stories like this, the ones that peel back the layers of history to reveal the surprising truths that shaped our world, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more hidden history. And if you learned something new, hit that like button, it really helps support our work. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what object do you think changed the world the most? Thanks for watching.